I'm a voracious reader. I read every minute of every day. I am always reading, like all the CNN, Huffington Post. I read garbage. I read high quality content. I read everything. I'm a student of life, so I'm constantly trying to learn about all sorts of topics. I watch YouTube videos. I'm learning every minute, every day. The day you stop learning is the day you're dead. The concept of have you arrived? No, I have not arrived. I am still a moron. I am still uneducated. I am still unenlightened. There are plenty of people living on a plane even higher than me that I, aspire to be at. So in my everyday living, I'm just thirsty and dying to learn about new things and mastering new topics. So for me, it's really focused reading. I want to get if someone's done a summary of this topic before, I'm going to read it. So one of the things that we do at our law firm, and which I particularly do for legal research, is if I have a new area of law that I'm not familiar with, I read everything on it. I read other people's briefs, I read law review articles, I read motions, I read case opinions. Because again, it is only when you read the concept that you get all the nuances in a way that you really master it. So for example, I don't know anything about side airbag systems whatsoever. I'm not an engineer. And yet, if I walk into a deposition of the Nissan engineer on side airbag systems, by the end of that deposition, he or she will know they can't mess around because I know side airbag systems in a way. Not only do I understand it from an engineering perspective, but I understand it in a basic, comprehensive way that they can't give me gobbledygook and that I can cross-examine them to get the points across. So, really, it's just you got to read a lot and you have to read efficiently.